tonight. Midnight, live. Yellow card, early. Alexander World Order for the Silver Model. Bring in. Yes. Bring in, get up. Yes. Welcome back to the Colorado Celebrate for the Colorado Celebrate on a wonderful Thursday night. Holiday Labor Day weekend, Stanford Football Association present to you tonight his championship finals. And the chairmanship by Kevin Flores, Vasir, yes man, Vasir, yes man. While in control loses, man, gonna beat up in the ball and Silver pushing up, ball on the run. Wide, all the way back in the 18th, goalkeeper, Trenton Garcia, out of the life. Now with all the team throwing to the leagues and touch. Second half start fast. Now what they gonna talk about inside the room at the half time? What's the grass start out? Where Conquerors start out? They are attacking each other early inside the second half. They are attacking each other early inside the second half. Some of them want to get on the scoreboard early. Ball in the first one, they're going to see that foul. Referee Alexander World Order says someone again Conquerors. Take care for it. Half of it, you have to see it. Yes, sir. Put it down. Yes. Guys. All right, Morrison.
Yes, thank you very much, Rob. We got a young SMC, he's courting down there at Etel. He's courting, the young SMC is courting from the 6th game out along Belize. He's right there with the big white patch. The young SMC. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, in the danger zone. Look who's going to take that. Look who's going to take that shot again, number 10 grade. Still glass, just G Ballas. Goalkeeper, Brenton Garcia. Well positioned in the goal push. Yeah, he's trying to put it where it hurts. He's looking for that sweet spot. He's looking for the sweet spot. Wonderful shit. Offside. Offside. Nigel here is still trying to plead. He's pleading with the goal. He's pleading with the referee. Referee says it's an offside, Nigel. It's an outside, you're building a house. You're building a 2-story house. That was a big house, Nigel. He kicked it by Fato. Fato trying to find Vasse, but blocked there by number 12 there for SG Ballas. Vasse trying to find Buck Estero. Buck Estero trying to find number 14. But it's going to be a corner kick there for Easy Griga Conquerors.
Out of my life.
Yes, this is the Stanford Football Association finals. Inside the legendary Colorado Stadium on Daifa, 91.7 FM. Daifa Girls in the radio station, streaming to you live on our platform. We're on YouTube as well. We're now on YouTube on the Wabagari radio station. It's the same radio station. I want to pick up the guys from South Coast here with us tonight. Achi, Magdaleno, Big Bad Bantan, the guys from the Galaxies. Still, SD trying to find a block here by the Evan Mariano pushed up ball wide. He's looking for Cotto. Cotto from Lakeland City. It's the ball, but blocked there by Bird. Ball is going back to me by Bird in the center of the field. Looking to string across the brain, but missed. Still in control of the group of Conquerors. Looking for 14. On the attack now, Conquerors for BK back. Still in control of Conquerors. Put the ball over Brook Estero couldn't get to the ball. It's going to be a throw in there for Easy Griga Conquerors. Newly welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Early inside the second half. Let's get this ball rolling. Number 3, we want to see a goal. We want to see the next shake. We want to see the shake, but SG Ballas said no, out of the life. It's going to be a throw in there for. Easy Griga Conquerors. 0-0 inside the legendary Colorado Stadium. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, cool, calm, quality center of the ball there. Was blocked there by SG Ballas number 6. Still in control. Bird Donoro, Bird, what's the ball looking for? Was blocked there wide. Conqueror number 19, DK. Still trying to get around Bird. The block there by number 1. It's going to be a toll in there for SG. Ballers, silver ball. This is the first and second place game, the final number 16 sector 2. We're head up the line. Number 9 there for Easy. Real Conquerors. That was Cosmos. Cosmos with the ball looking for Mariano. Mariano push wide. Facto from Lakeland City. Ethel and the clean son. That's Ethel and the clean son. Yes, that's it. Yes, you're good. You're looking good. Ethel, I like your shoes. It's glittering. I like your shoes. You got gold shoes on. What's set to the ball? Trying to find number 14. Inside the box. Inside DK. Inside the box. Just block there by ST Ballers. Still, Ethel, I like your shoes. I like your slippers. It's gold shoes. Still rocking. Still rolling. It's going to be a throw in there for. Referee's there. Number 16 for SG Ballers. Throw that ball there, looking for Bryn. Number 10, Bryn. Still Bryn, center of the field. Bryn. Trying to get the wrong one. Push that ball wide there, for. Ball still in controlling. SG, Baba weaving. Mariano said no, not tonight. This is the final. I'm not going to get another chance. Here's the most. Oh, that was Bird. Still, Clark, the Bird. Erson Clark, number 1. Erson Clark.
Golden Tin White.
Now blocked by Aaron Strong, block. Lose control. Block the Bird. Bird still set that ball. It's the back. Mariano. Like it. That was a Bruce Lee kick by Mariano. A Bruce Lee kick. Kick the ball on the back. 60 for SB Ballers. To the top there. It's going to be a corner kick. 0-0 ball game, ladies and gentlemen, is rolling alongside the living legend Rufus Barrowick. Take it away.
I don't know, sir. I've been to the car. I'm going to stay there. Francis Song DJ with the kind of kick going to be there. And then Western kind of center there. Western got ball on into the 18 box. Send it off. The ball with not the feet. But we're going to be there for easy investment. Wrestle that. Bring that Conqueror. 0-0. Wrestle that. Live. Pretty Buyo on 91.7 Daifa. Thank you for the streaming live. Ball on the run. Conqueror push it up. I'm going to be the first. Conqueror. BK. Push it up there for Conqueror. Make it. Right, smart defense there by Silvers. Boom. Ball, BK. BK opponent. Yes. Easy in a card, yes sir, easy in a card, yellow card. Bob going to be there with the Silvergrass Ballers live inside the General Carnival Stadium. Entertainment live. Seatmate man is here. Vida is here. Harlem is here. We did warm up. Are this game done? We are rush, taxi, whatever, bike. Silvana, right there going to be Labor Day weekend. Ball going to be a free kick at the western touch line. It's going to be for the ball of Silvers. Happy Labor Day weekend to everybody when Labor. We're bringing ends meet. No? Make sure groceries them out. Bills off the pay. Everybody will grind it, we're doing work. Wake up early in the morning. Happy Labor Day. Play hard, work hard. Happy Labor Day weekend. Ball going to be there for the Conquerors. Inside the middle, give us to Suaso, wide pushing, back there number 14. Back in the middle, Conquerors, this is going to be a hard game, competitive game. They know each other. Silver man, Braden, around 2, Braden, Silver man, 1, goalkeeper.
Come on, Braden.
I'm going to leave them to go off the field. It will be a substitution at the Eastern Coast. Beat the Buyo. Good night, everybody. Live from the legendary Carnival Stadium on Rise the Song DJ Brazil. We're streaming live worldwide. Thanks for Venezuela. 91.7. We're controlling the big bunch. I die. The corner of this platform. Also, 100 participants at 3. I die.
Yes, the youngest MC got to save his voice for tomorrow. He got a big task tomorrow. The youngest MC got a big task tomorrow. Yes, he have a big task tomorrow. He have a security detail coming to check him out at Riga tomorrow.
A big check. It's a big check for him.
Big check.
So he live in hotel. He got a hotel room and he got a big check for the big case. Why? Wadani, I love you.
Yes, Wadani is on a different level now. Yes, we got the police van. The police van is coming to pick him up tomorrow.
Hey, Wadani!
Yeah, Wadani, Gamis is he has scheduled a police van to pick up Patrick tomorrow. So we wish him very well. You know, for him bringing play-by-play action. So Patrick, we will miss you tomorrow. I know you will have a hotel room at Bullfrog, right? 5-star hotel for you, Patrick. You're staying at Bullfrog tomorrow, Patrick. Why? Still inside it. Patrick, you want to say something? What? Jacuzzi in the room, Patrick? Wow. Erwin. Wow. Still, we're still rolling every live action. And 91.7 still. Yes,
best event, why?
Yeah.
That's why he gave it event last season, why?
We're still rolling on the attack. So what's on the field for Aaron Estero? But Burns right there now. Playing hard inside the box, slip slide. SG Mallers came up to the ball. Still, SG Mallers get a run up. It's going to be a throw in there for SG Mallers. Big up yourself. Everybody looking good. Silvana coming up next. We want to pick up the sponsor of tonight. We want to pick up Rubai, we want to pick up Westra, Jubilees Foundation, Football Federation, Champion Football Association, and South Coast Raw. Thank you very much. Bucky, you take a break right now because you got to stay in the voice for the 6-game match. Take it away, Achieve.
Thank you very much there, Maurice. The crew who laughed in the live on 91.7 FM, big up to the folks in the big up to the folks in the diaspora, big up to the folks locally. Once again, good night, wherever you are. See you live from the legendary Mariano Stadium on the Thursday night. Starting from the association. The president, Ernest Stockton.
My police man. Cat. Best defense, boy. Cat.
Erwin.
Russell.
Go for it. Varsity, he goes and find Russell, back, weave, Russell control, Russell looking for people, looking for somebody, Russell goes around another, Russell loses another world
Tonight will be a good night.
It's roll, baby.
Yes, one look like Sarabia. I can see from here. One look like Sarabia. Don't know who the next player. But the next player look like Higgins. Sarabia and Higgins on the knees and touch. Who are we up? For easy.
Coming up.
Mayor's
Cup coming up. Mayor's Cup.
Yes. That's after this.
Hard tournament.
It's hard.
Harder first division.
Then you 21 now, girl.
Yeah, man, you're right.
That's what keep there. Moving out there like going to reverse. Intercept. And boom. Fine. Check the people find Russell. Try to spread that man back and looking for Aaron.
It's another shootout. It will be another shootout. Let's do that. Actually, you're on the mic. It will be another shootout.
It's going to be another shootout.
You think so?
Are we going back to the Middle East? For some rocket launcher from the 6-yard spot. We don't know yet, it's early. It's early to call. Conquerors know what it takes to be a champion. Ivana tonight, the after party. Alan Hughes and Gina Bob. Living up there, dangerous.
Graveyard bombers.
Graveyard bombers. Still here. I want to say good night to the whole club for being a part of this representation. Silver's balance. Little ball game. Winding down. We'll go to the charity spot from the 6 yard.
Big for
we don't know. You know what's going on alone. So I'm so good back like mine. Russell. We need to go. Sarah. We need to go. That's it there. By the ring. Mariano.
Hey, man. Okay.
Try to go down one after 52 on the east and the west and touch ball.
Hanging out.
Vassi at the right spot.
Yes.
Actually, what I want to tell you about Vassi, it reminds me of being an another. Malachi and Alberto. We have left Malachi right there. Any error with the defense, you are scored. Kakas, Danny, Diego, you shoot, defend on the goal post, you are scored. That's Vassi. That's what you do for Conquerors. Always finish. Right now for the error. Somebody coming out there for the Conquerors. Live with the camera. I say, good night, everybody. We're going to do play live. I'm going to sound on Taifa. 91.7 is streaming live from inside Carl Ramos Stadium. Mervyn Rugged, the big man from Matthew Mangalima, one of the parties. The owner of this platform. I die, Morris Savera. Take it away.
Thank you very much. I was looking for the Hingite, but Hingite, I can't see Hingite tonight.
What's the Hingite?
He does come in.
Hingite? Where is Hingite?
Well, it's from Erwin.
Can you see the word Hingite?
We can't use his full name, Rugged. Your Rugged Florence is Hingite. He's Hingite. He's Rugged Florence. He's Hingite. That's his full name. We can't put the sharpest name. Alright? Then they come down and tell him, take it! Blocked there by SG Garland. They're looking to find Estero. Estero is moving a little bit slow now. You know, that's not it. He's trying to launch on top all the way from this field.
Play bad, man. Play smart.
Yes.
That's getting big for Mark.
No, so for big start.
fatigue.
Fatigue starts stepping in rugged. So you're going to play a little bit smarter now. You're going to make that ball roll, right? You're going to roll. You're going to make the ball roll. Alright? You want to pick up my friends from the valley. You want to pick up 92 Hopkins gear. Lato ka hagia, ano ka po na ya? No, work for the name. Perkito. Black the by three ballers. Garada. Yes, you get a supper mama. You call it a supper mama. I kick the by Bird, number 11, played hard. Trying to put SG ballers on the scoreboard. You only have that once again.
Two man down for Silver.
SG.
Everybody is here tonight to see that a packed Tower Stadium. What's the lighting? We're still there. We're still there.
Robbie, that's because we fight up amongst ourselves and we don't fight up with the politicians. This is our field, our Frederick Park. So much UDP come in, PUP come in, UDP come in, PUP come in, and the light is still, no, we still only have 3 lights per 1 post, Robbie. What are we going to do about it? We're going to talk about it and make it happen. We're going to play in the dark like this. It's unnecessary. Right? But we're going to do what we're going to do.
Morris, co-owner of Diamond, what's in the proper lighting? What's in the proper lighting inside Carramos? All important for us. What's in the proper lighting when they are important for Carramos? Yes, it'll be 4 posts. What is going to put the light thing? You take that Ramos. We don't need all the one over right now. Take it away.
You're going to cocaine, not going to right now. We're going to cocaine. That is a fact. Right? Sit in the back end of the line. But you know, if it's not for that, you know it's dark. We're going to do something about it. Right? Next time, correct now. Don't come to the election to come up. You don't want no promises. It's a pathway. But fix the light, come up and play football just like me. Fix the light. Go cross. You're going to take that time out, Robin. The only thing I want is fix the car. I want to put on the light. Anyone at the party there.
I hear you go out, but Gilberto Suaso earlier. I hear you. I started us so lighting. But Gilberto Suaso with the Conquerors. Almost, he was right there, but the ball went over the crossbar. Forrest Herrera, Diver, I love it. And we are complaining. What we commentating on a big night tonight, when I packed our Ramos still, these was we do, our lighting.
And you start there from it. Don't forget. So 2027, with the election, I'm not going to vote from it. They have to fix the light first, then I will vote. Or else I'm going to vote to no party. Blue or red. We want the light, we want at least 700 lights from it, 700 lights. We want to make it look like this. Right? Just like how I would like, the least thing I would like, we want to like too. Alright? Back to live action. Back to live action inside the little Mariano Stadium. Ladies and gentlemen, in the ball game, second half. Early set. Now that's hang it tight.
Smart player. He pushed that man around the defender. Shield, cover his bar, and the defender rush him and got down the net inside the 6-yard box. Rugged. Smart player. The defender cannot argue. They see his skills, his physique.
Nobody argue.
You cannot argue. Look at what he did to the defender. String around one. Draw, cover, shield, the defender run into him, inside the 6-yard box. Alexander, the World War say, penal! From the targeted spot, the 6-yard box. Done. Easy, we are conquerors. Put this one away. It is a final, a real championship one tonight. It's a real championship tonight. Aaron Buck from the charity spot. Buck.
That's what I was asking you earlier, where is Hingite? As soon as we asked for Hingite came on and
He delivered.
Hingite delivered. He put it, Aaron Buck Estero put it where it hurts. He put it exactly where it hurts. 1-0 in favor of Easy Green Conquerors. It's not over until the Naga girls sing. They don't say why. It's on Mariano. Hingite. Looking to find. Yes. Perkito strong and powerful. Whoa! What a play there, number 16. Heavy tackle there, number 16. The referee is right there on top of the play. Referee Laurie says, foul. Ball will be there for Easy to the Conquerors. Hingite, number 7, came out and changed the ball game. That is a wonder kid. He's a wonder kid. I was telling you, coach,
Everybody off their feet.
the whole team is off their feet right now. They are off their feet right now. Evan Mariano, number 6, international player, big player. Evan Mariano. He's going to take this free kick. Thursday night football after this. Steve Honor after this. Yes. Yes. The fans are on their feet right now. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah, big up Serrano. Big up yourself. He can't hear us again. He cannot hear us. He's focused. He's focused. Evan Mariano.
Big up to all his fans, all the bleachers, sell out Ramos tonight.
Thank you very much, Rugged. Like I was saying, Conquerors is on the attack after attack. You gotta make
fire.
that was Taka. No, they don't have Taka again. That's Chapikia, in the map. Alaska Airlines. Those are direct flights. Direct flights at Alaska Airlines. American Airlines are long distance. United Airlines, Hingite again. That's a kid. That's a wonder kid. Wonder kid. He came on to change his ball game. The crowd is on their feet. They've seen something special for this final. They've seen something special. Number 7 came in and changed the ball game. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, 1 goes to them and they will easy to be a conqueror. This is the final. Remember, both teams are already qualified. We go to inter-district, but who will be the champion? I don't know. Braden, Oliver, stripped away by Kevin. Bird, all over the place. Blocked there by Soazo. Soazo in tackle. Pushing ball. Ball to the conquerors. Yeah. For 1 minute there, that was a pushing ball. It's going to be a substitution there for SG Ballers. They're bringing reinforcement now. Is it a little bit too late?
Braden out.
Is it a little bit too late?
Braden out.
Braden is out. He must be injured.
Yes.
But let me tell you something, Ruben. Braden is also a wonder kid, but he got to let go of the ball. He pulled up the football. He killed the team. He killed the team spirit. So maybe with him coming out the ball game will change a little bit. He's a wonderful kid. He can control, he can dribble, but you got to put the ball in the man to get, right? All those fancy dribbling, don't put you nowhere.
I started the first game with Hopkins. Good players. Kalina, all the players there for Hopkins, the Barney. But they hold the ball too long. They got some good players, the Barney. But they hold the ball too long when they're inside to grow the offense.
Yeah, they're still holding the ball. The game's done, and they still hold the ball and they move. Right? Yeah, it's a team sport. They gotta share it, just like what Mariano is doing right now. Push that ball, but it's not over. Still a lot of time inside this ball game. Push right now. Hing it, Ted. Hing it. Right around one. Look how easy it make it look. Around two. Hing it. Once again, center the ball. Head up the ball. That's it. Hing it. Once again, playing hard. Start again. Yes, he's wide. Ladies and gentlemen, you are seeing something that we haven't seen in a long time. Working hard, a lot of energy. Hing it there, getting that first, take the back, and get it back. Working hard. Hing it there, fresh. One goes to nil. One goes to nil. You see all this excitement. Look at him drop back to the field. Look at him, it there, came back to the midfield to secure that spot. What I'm breaking this ball game down, Rugged. I'm breaking it down. He is drilling. Yes. Where is the youngest MC? No. Go Suazo. Go Suazo. But we're going there for SG Ballard. As you can see right now, SG Ballard, the back is against the wall there, the defending champ. So Suazo intercept looking for Estero. Looking for Perquito Serrano, trying to heal up. Well read there by number 11 Bird. Bird chipped the ball, looking for number 7, Nigel Elio. Out on the line. That is Evan Mariano. He's an international player. Yes, he's smart. He got it going on right now. Right now, it is a 1-0 in favor of Easy Bigger Conquerors. Rugged. Tobacco Beach, take it away.
Tobacco Beach, take it away?
Yeah.
I'm ready. Tobacco Beach throwing down the western touchline. Live into the car, almost in the second half. Conquerors is up. The rest of Conquerors, 1-0. Cheers up. City Brass, 1-0 opening. 2 on the closing. Ball in the middle first. The Conquerors taking the run. Ball on the run. Number 4 breaks number City Brass ballers. The ballers. They are attacking now to the Colorado still alive. Dice for 91.7. Inside, Rock is on DJ Wuzzle. Entertainment here tonight. 3:13.4. Marlon in Vida. Marlon comes in the middle. Kicks them wide. Heads out there by Silvergrass. Can they tie this ball game up? But Conquerors, they want to crown the champion inside the closing. Closing down nicely. Nice and easy.
Hing it.
Ball gonna be in for her.
Hing it.
Hing it. Hing it. I won't use like your words. I'm gonna use honest words. Hing it. Clear don't think they by Silver Ballers. Fato. Right now they're controlling ball. Anyone know back man? Lot more time left. Alexander Warlord, we're back on the middle for the Conquerors. Conquerors take control. Double 18 back. Still. Back. Esther on the back. Bring it back. Inside. Hing it again. Hing it inside the middle. Hing it, bring it back. Evan Mariano, the captain. Evan Mariano, wide push. Ball going to be from Mousin, General. Back. Give us a Suazo back into Mousin. Conquerors. Ball is going back into Mousin. They take control. Wrestle, Conqueror, they take his soul. Violent controlling, violent off the field. At least a touch. Struck a tree, taken away. Difer, 91.7. Sun Coast, Big Bang, a tree. I die, we are here, you are here.
That's what I love. The chess, the check-out, the passes, the touches. Easy, Bigger Conqueror showing you first class skills inside the 18-yard back. It's up there by the defender, the man in the middle, and the general world of the field. 1-0. This is championship football. What he's a different dude. He's from our world. He's from the galaxy. He's a leader. He has move, speed, and then moving forward. You know how this is. Try to go the wrong man, but after feel of touch on the western front. Good four. Easy. Greener Conquerors 1-0. Top car must be them on a Thursday night. Tomorrow, the laborers celebrate new work, new school tomorrow. All the laborers should go. He put that one man looking for Russell. Intercepting that in the second shot. Silver Palace, they did put that in that one time. The check that will be goes back and finds the ring, taking control, scoop that one, looking for him after the Conquerors, they looking good. Maurice!
Yes, a tree from the South Coast Road, Diaper Birthday Radio Station. Bring it to a live into your living room. A tree, you have more energy every time Conquerors touch the ball. You have a spring in your voice. A tree, something is wrong with that. But it's okay. We hear it live. It's a 1-0 from the penalty spot. Bob, Aaron Castero, put it where it hurts. Number 7, Higite, took the ball inside the box. Higite, number 7. No, it's the whole name, Robin. Please don't tell me, I don't tell you. You roll, I roll. Yes. We're having fun, ladies and gentlemen. We're having fun. Yes, Mouse, put that ball looking for Sarabia. Intercepted by Arana, number 8. Sarabia. He wants to win. You know the team that wants to win, Robin. They're hustling. This Conquerors team is hustling. Nigel Eliam can't even touch the ball right now. Out of the line! Mariano want to touch. Hi, Evan! He want to touch us with the ball.
Yes.
He want to touch us with the ball. But nonetheless, yes, Nigel is on lock. Most having on lock right now.
Nigel locked down right now. See that team?
Everybody must say
looking once again. Conquerors, the bigger Conquerors. Look at the Wolf, the general. He is the general. He is the controller. He is the motivator. Push the ball all the way back. Still, Evan Mariano, he's a champion. Push the ball. Right now, look who's calling for it. Bose is calling for it. Bose. Still Bose. Interested inside the box now. Russell, does he have a right foot? Does he have a left foot? Goal. He get that. Goal!
I tell you that kid is from another space. He's not a normal kid. He's an alien. He's from the galaxy. He's the assist. He passed the penalty. He passed the penalty. No, but that one by him. Look away. Easy. You are done. This is a championship football.
He get this.
This is what I'm talking about. Easy. You have to knock around.
I'm going to give it back to you. But that starts from Moses. Moses start that goal.
Moses from the defense.
Moses start that goal. It's Moses for the Conquerors. Moses start that goal. It's Moses from the defense for Conquerors. Start that. Take it away.
I'm going on my block. The party tonight. That's my labor business. I'm a laborer. I'm going on my block. So probably certain people can join me. Just see live. They are raising up. Another couple inside Bath office. No space on the shelf. They have to build more shelves. More shelves. 2-0. Conquerors. 2. Silk Cross Ballers. 0. But guess what? Both teams will represent us inside the inter-district FFB. I have to give kudos to them. Because tonight, we are champions tonight.
Yes.
The opening, still pass,
the opening.
yes, they did it, but easy green by Conquerors, they defended the cup, because 3 teams was inside the semis, and now the finals, and the Conquerors are proving that the cup will not go anywhere, the cup will stay here, inside green back, 2-0.
91.7 Daifa.
Yeah, the cameraman is getting. Yeah, but he get tired.
Huh?
Yeah, the cameraman is missed.
What did you do today?
Well, I don't know, see? Focus on what you're doing, cameraman. He's getting tired. Nigel is locked. Give it away. Error pass. Error pass now. They're trying to play individual ball. It won't work against this bigger Conquerors. They come here to win. Hey, you see that cup downstairs? So big that SDFA cup?
Yes. It's who come out?
Looks like they are. The grass fans are starting to walk out the stadium. Are they going to walk out the stadium?
No, so grass don't walk out. They are already representing for the FFB. They will be here for all the awards. Yes. Nobody going nowhere. After this done, Savannah will leave him. Seat team. As the game is over, award, they'll seat team. Let's warm up. Achi, you're putting on a spot. Back on a minute to you. Achi, Morrison, you're a Daifa. And you're a question right now. Running already to answer this question. Barry comes to the case.
Así, solo
Conquerors, they take control inside the middle. Mariano stepping for Conquerors team. Yeah, 2 goals to nil. They play spot. Foul against Sunglass. You want to answer the question? I'm going to give it everything. You want to ask me now?
Yes, pick up yourself, Peter Max. Peter Max in the house, pick up yourself. Hey, Ronnie, you know when you call Peter, you gotta call him Peter because he was in the States for like 6 months. Yes. Peter did a tour, 2025 tour, so you're gonna call him Peter. We don't want you to call him Peter.
Why?
Come on, man, I got this.
Huh? Yeah, he was on tour. We gotta pick him up. Yes. The clock is winding down, ladies and gentlemen. 2 goals to nil. Individual ball now playing 2 against 1 goal. They played hard now. Once again, the Wonder Kid. Kick that ball up. Cash base kick. Right around Cash. Remember the ceremony with the Conquerors bring the championship to Cash? Yes. Does that make Cash feel like a champion?
Yes.
So why he miskicked us now?
He think he a win.
You think he's the win? Well, you still gotta pick up Cash, man. He's a big time player. Yeah, we gotta pick up where is the youngest MC in the world?
He's already.
Where is the youngest MC in the world? Is he saving his voice for the 6K match?
Yes.
He's saving his voice for the 6K match tomorrow?
Yes.
Robin, the clock is winding down, late inside the second half. We're waiting for the referee to put that clock up right now. We'll see unofficially. Right now it's about 4 minutes remaining in the second half. That's unofficial. The referee has inside the ball. Get out! Get out! Brenton Garcia over there.
Yellow.
Look it. That was unnecessary by Brenton Garcia. He already had possession of the ball. You gotta keep your composure in the final. The clock is winding down. The goalkeeper, you gotta keep your composure in a final like this. Right? Nigel was locked down the entire game. Yes, but
Yeah, miss.
Tell her again.
let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. Silvergrass ballers on the penalty spot. Number 7, Nigel Hino. Is he going to put it away? No! No way! Goalkeeper Benton out of the line. Goalkeeper Benton. Garcia Jr. I believe for the Toledo. Take it away.
Balling out the field. Later, young boy, young girl, good night. Turn of the night. That's what's coming from that association. Winding down. A tree. I am also the owner of this platform. By fans. 91.7 keeps it up. It's over. Inside, glory tournament. Hing it, big. Glory tournament, take it away. What was something I like?
Yes. Follow him, man. Come on, man. Hing it there. That's him. That's Hingite. That's the superstar. That's the MVP for tonight.
Yes.
That is the MVP for tonight. Yes. He came in and changed the ball game, put Conquerors on the map once again. The Conquerors is a winning club. If they deserve to win the ball game, they were hustling, playing good football,
Boxing it around
like tiki-taka, like the Barcelona style. Right? We want to thank the sponsors, Westra, Boy, Football Federation, the Stamping Football Association, Jubilee Foundation for making this live possible. We're live on 91.7 FM Vital, very from the radio station. Big up on yourself.
Yes, sir. Police officers, thank you. Referees, all the fans inside the Colorado Stadium. Thanks for the big support. The Conquerors are the champion of the closing. Silvergrass, the champion of the opening tournament. Conquerors win the closing. The two teams will represent the champion district inside the FSB inter-district tournament coming up. Both Silvergrass ballers and the champions tonight. For us to be a Conquerors, we represent that champion district inside the FSB inter-district coming up. Good night, everybody. We're taking live. In a few, we join Alberta Bees. We got Mike Alberta Bees. I'm going to hold it up right here. Where I work with right now. Make the band play. What do I do? I'll hold the mic. Nobody get carried away. Thank you. Big support. Get ready for the Mayor's Cup coming up. Ending of the month. Then Town comes to the Mayor's Cup. And the first division team. Make sure you know the semi-pro player to bring on your team. Please. Mayor's Cup coming up. Work out. Train. That's the big tournament coming up. It's going to be harder than for the division. And I'm like, yes. I'm going to work around them.
You know who?
Wangerale.
You know proper fix.
I don't know if I was supposed to come out and wanted to come out there. I'll be around them too.
Don't get banned from Conquerors, you know.
Good night, everybody from the camera. I'll hold the night. There'll be nowhere happening. My police officers and everything on that.
Why?
We never have trouble in the Colorado State. They are ready. They do everything. Enjoy yourself. Get your drinks. Get your stocks, everybody.
The table is
Relax. Table is come out.
You could see the cup.
In a few, I'm going to meet Marshall when I hold this mic. Get your car, let's get ready.